Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Sir, today can we start a new chapter?
Yes, beta, we will start the new chapter today.
Sir, we will start area and perimeter also volume.
Area and perimeter.
Okay, sir.
Open chapter number 20, all of you.
Sir, open.
Opened.
Open.
Chapter 20, page number 159, everyone. Open it.
Already open.
Sir, opened.
Sir, already open.
Sir, opened.
Okay.
Sir, I know how to do this chapter. Yes, sir, I have done this.
So write down
I
the
also
heading,
did.
everyone, area and perimeter. Write down the name of the chapter and your copies.
Okay, sir. Sir, written.
Area and perimeter. Now, all of you, I am going to explain you something. So you don't have to write anything in your copy now. Just look at the board, okay? Stop writing in your copies. No one will write
Okay,
anything. Just look at
Okay,
the
sir.
board.
Okay, sir.
So,
Okay, sir.
first of all, I want to ask you what is the difference between area and perimeter? Do you know what is
Sir,
difference?
may I tell?
What is the meaning of area? What is the meaning of
Sir,
perimeter?
Object how much take a place to
Sir, area is just a place of an object is a perimeter.
Sir, area can be defined as the
One by
amount
one.
of
An
surface
object.
covered by
yes, sir. Area is a
and perimeter
One by one, one by
is
one.
also
Raise your hands, all of you. Raise your hands. Don't give your answers like this. Just raise your hand if you want to answer. Yes, Jayesh. Jayesh.
Okay, sir. Sir, area is a sir. In area, we have to find a square of a place, and sir, in perimeter, we have to sum of all sides.
Okay, put your hand down, Jayesh. Adrika.
Yes, sir. Sir, area is space occupied by an object while perimeter is the boundary of the figure.
Okay, very good. Put your hands down.
I
Sir,
also
may-
wanted to
Sir,
tell.
yesterday, I am disconnecting in the class. So,
I also wanted to tell.
can you tell, sir, what we have done in the yesterday class, sir? I cannot understand what you are
Iram,
saying.
Yesterday was Sunday.
Iram, listen to me. On Saturday, we did the fun page of the chapter circles, okay, in the copy.
Okay, sir.
You can see the recording. Nihit Agarwal, your answer.
After need, may I?
Yes,
Nihit.
sir. Area is defined as the amount covered by the object, and perimeter is the boundary of an object.
Okay, put your hand down, Nihit. Aditya. Aditya, your answer.
Sir, my answer is area is amount of surface covered by an object, and sir, perimeter is sum of all the sides of an object.
Very good. Put your hand down. Samrid.
Okay, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Area is a area is a space required by an object is called an area, and the boundary of an object is called a parameter. So done.
Okay, very good. Varun Goyal.
Sir, area is the amount of surface covered by any figure, and perimeter is the sum of all sides.
Anshuman.
Okay, sir. Sir, area is a sir space that is covered by a figure, and perimeter is the sum of all sides of a figure.
Okay, very good. All of you. Well done. I think in a way I can say that what I have come to know from your answers, that you all almost know what is the difference between area and perimeter. Let me make it more clear. Okay. So first of all, this is a closed figure. I have made a closed figure. This is a rectangle. Am I right? It is a closed figure. Okay.
Yes.
Here I am drawing another figure. Okay. This. So can we find area of the first figure that I have drawn on the screen, or the second figure of that I have drawn? Can I find the area of Can I find the area of the second figure also? Can I
Yes,
find
sir.
the
No, sir.
No,
Sir,
we
then
cannot
why
find
we
it.
can't find
No,
the
sir.
area of second figure?
We can't
We
find the area of the
cannot
second
we
figure
can
because
find
it does
definite
not
area.
have a particular boundary. It has not. There is no ending to its
Yes,
boundary.
sir. If
So
there is no ending,
if
then
we
it
know
is
if
infinite.
we know there is a particular ending in the boundary of a field of any object of any figure, then only we can find the area. Otherwise, we cannot find the area or perimeter also. Okay, we cannot
Sir,
find the
because it
perimeter
will
also.
be infinite.
So what is a closed figure and what is an open figure? The first figure is a closed figure. Why it is a closed figure? Because the starting point of the figure and the ending point of the figure is the same. If I start from making the figure from this point, I will go all around the figure and I will finish at the same point. Am I right or not? The starting point and ending point is same. So it is a
Yes,
closed
sir.
figure.
Yes,
This
sir.
is a closed figure. Whereas in the second case, the starting point and ending point are different. So it is an open figure. Got it?
Okay.
Closed figure, open figure. So we can find the area of closed figures, but we cannot find the area of open figures. First thing, area or perimeter, both. Now, what is the difference between area and perimeter? Look at the figure very carefully. I will try to explain what is perimeter. So I am moving here along the boundary of the rectangular field. I'm moving all around. You can see. Can you all see? I'm moving my pen
Yes, sir.
on the boundary,
Yes, sir.
right? So here I am almost about to finish the whole boundary. So the distance that I have covered on the boundary of a field, to cover the distance that I have traveled to cover the whole boundary of a figure, that is known as perimeter. Are you getting the point? So the boundary, the complete boundary of a figure is perimeter. Am I right or not, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The complete boundary is perimeter. So, sir, what is area?
Area, what is area? Area is not the boundary. Area is the surface that is covered by the figure on the inside. The
Means
surface.
inside of an object. Sir, inside
Yes,
of an object.
yes. The interior part of a figure is the area. Are you getting the point? Everyone, the
The
interior
outside
part.
part will also consider as an area.
That is also an area, but that is not the area of this figure. Outside part is
Okay, sir.
also a type of area, but that is not the area of this figure. Area of figure is the interior part of the figure. Okay, understood?
So, sir, the interior part is area and the boundaries are perimeter.
Yes, yes, yes. Absolutely right. Have you all understood what is area and what is perimeter?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. So there are some formulae to find the area and perimeter of figures. Actually, perimeter is very simple. Perimeter is just sum of all sides. If you add all the sides of any figure, you will get the perimeter. Okay. If there is any shape, there is a triangle, there is a rectangle, there is a square, there is a pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, septagon, octagon, yegan, wogan. If there is any figure, you just add all the sides, you get the perimeter. Okay. And area, for finding the area, there are different formulae for all the figures. So for now we are going to write down the formulae for measuring area.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Area to find the area and perimeter, there would be some same formulas. Like in area we divide of a square, we multiply side by side, and in a perimeter we add. Same
Beta,
thing.
there is a difference. Same, we cannot say that they are same. So formulae for measuring area, first one. So first of all, what you will do, you will draw a square in your copy. You have to draw the figures also. Do it in the same way. Now you all will start writing in your copy. Draw a square. Let the side of the square be A. All sides of a square are equal. Let it be A.
Sir, of how many centimeters we have to draw the line
So
of the square?
area, no, that is not fixed. You just draw any square. Take any side. So area of a square is equal to side of the square multiplied by the side of the square only. Side into side. Multiply side by itself. So you will get the area of the square. Second thing,
Sir, how many pages are left for the front page of the previous chapter?
beta 2 pages. Iram.
Okay, sir.
Like, sir, add all the sides. We can add also in the place of multiplying.
No, beta, no. That will give you perimeter, not area. Okay,
Okay,
Nihit,
sir.
that will be wrong. So this is a rectangle.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we can draw of any length.
Yes, you can draw of any length.
Okay, sir.
In a rectangle, we all know there is a length and there is a breadth. Particular length is there, particular breadth. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. All the four sides are not equal in a rectangle. So area of a rectangle is equal to simple length multiplied by breadth.
Sir, this we have to write.
And sir,
Yes, you have to
And sir-
write. Draw the figures and write.
area of
Triangle.
is equal to half into base into height.
Area of a triangle is half into base into height. Very right.
Sir, like you were drawing on the board, sir, we have to draw like these only figure and write like this only.
Yes, beta.
Okay. And length multiply.
Area of a triangle. A triangle has a height and it has a base also. Height and base. Triangle has three sides, but it has a particular height also. The perpendicular distance between a vertex of the triangle and the opposite side That is known as the height of the triangle. I will explain when we do the area of triangle. Okay, I will explain what is the meaning of height. Area of a triangle. First, you all note down in your copies, is equal to half multiplied by base multiplied by height. So this is the area of a triangle. Please note down all the three formulae in your copies.
Sir, I have written all these three formulas.
Very good.
Sir, now we have to write the formulas of perimeter.
Yes.
Sir, I have written,
No,
sir,
not
may I
not
post?
now, not now, beta. You will not write the formula of perimeter right now. Afterwards.
Sir, may I post? Sir, I have written, so sir, may I post it on WhatsApp?
Yes, you can post.
Okay, sir, I am.
5B students have written already these formulae. 5B students, have you all written? How many students of 5B are sitting here in the class? I think only one or two.
So I think no one.
Hridyansh is from 5B.
And ma'am, and Sir Pratyush also. Yes, sir. Vidyansh and Pratyush.
Sir, I have sent. Sir, I have sent.
Sir, done.
Beta, very good. Ready? All of you? Written, everyone? Please post it in the group
No,
if you
sir,
all have
I
written.
have not written. Sir, I have not written.
Sir, please raise, sir, I have not written.
Anshuman, beta, your triangle is a little different from my triangle. You have also not marked the base and height of the triangle. It is very important to mark the base and height.
Okay, sir. Sir, I marking.
Okay. Very good. Others have done in the same way that I have done. Very good.
Sir, please wait, sir. I'm just doing. Sir, we have to draw the scalene triangle just as you have drawn.
Yes, draw a scalene triangle. It will be better if you draw a scalene triangle.
But sir, now I have drawn in
No problem.
equilateral.
That will also work. If you have drawn equilateral triangle, then also it is okay.
So now what we will do?
Okay, sir.
Okay, I was okay. So I think now you all have written and drawn the figures.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'll send also, sir. I'll send
Sir,
also.
please wait.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so look at this. I think the square and rectangle are very easy to understand the formula.
Sir,
In
these
case
are
of a
very easy.
triangle, all the three are easy. In fact, in case of a triangle, everyone please look at the board. In case of a triangle, you can see that I have marked this as the height of the triangle. There are three sides. Green color. Can you see the sides are marked in green color? Everyone, look at the figure
Yes,
that I
sir.
have drawn in the on the board. Sides are green color, but this blue color thing, this is the height of the triangle. It is actually the perpendicular distance between one vertex of the triangle and the opposite side of the triangle. The perpendicular distance between these two is known as the height of the triangle. What is perpendicular distance? Perpendicular distance means the shortest distance between one point and a line. Suppose if I draw a point here and if I draw a line here, so if I draw a perpendicular, that means a right angle. At right angle, if I draw a line, so this distance is known as perpendicular distance. This distance is the perpendicular distance between a particular point and a line. So that is known as the height of the triangle. Can you see? This is the height of the triangle, everyone. So height, if you multiply the height by base and also multiply it by half, then you get the area of the triangle. Okay, half into base into height.
Sir, can you show
Sir, please can
it?
you explain it again?
Sir, can you
Sir,
show
please can you
example?
explain
Can you
it
tell
again?
it again, sir? I
Sir,
cannot
can you,
understand it.
sir, can you show an example of
Yes, sir, can you
the
Fine.
show
area of
example?
a triangle?
I
Yes,
am
sir.
giving you an example. Don't worry.
And sir, then show the area of rectangle also.
I'm giving you an example. Suppose if I draw an example, beta, I will do give examples of squares and rectangle also. We will take examples from the book only. Okay, this one triangle. I'm giving you an example from my side. Okay. So suppose ABC is a triangle and let's take AD as the height of the triangle. This is the height. Suppose height is 12 centimeters and the base of the triangle is, let's take it as 15 centimeters. And we have to find the area of this triangle. So area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height. Height is 12. Okay. Base is 15. So half into base. Base is 15. Height is 12. So if you multiply 1 into 15 into 12, what is 1 into 15 into 12? It is 180 upon 2. The denominator is 2, so it will remain 2. 180 when you divide by 2, what do you get? You get 90. So this is the answer, 90 centimeter square. Okay, 90 will be the answer. Understood the example, all of you?
Okay, sir. So we can directly
Okay,
do it
sir.
like this. So we can convert to, we can do directly like 2 and 15 we do in lowest term, then multiply by 12.
Yes, you can also do like that. Both the ways are correct. Okay, got it, all of you?
Yes,
This was an example. We will do take more examples, don't worry. Okay, I will
Okay, sir.
tell you, I will give you more examples from the book only. Questions I will do on the screen.
Sir, I understand this formula of triangle.
Don't worry, beta. We will, when we will start the exercise, I will explain everything in detail. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So exercise 20.1. Let's start with question A, first part. So there is, you will write in the same way like I am writing on the board. Okay, all of you. So side of the square is given 5 centimeters. There is a square. You have to find the area of the square and the side of the square is given 5 centimeter. I am doing the first part for your help on the board. Look at the board, everyone. Don't write anything. Stop writing. Just look at the board. Forget about everything else. Just look at the board. The side of the square is given 5 centimeter. Now, because it is a square, so we have to find the area of square. What is the formula? First, we will write the formula
So
in all
side
the
into side.
Multiply by side.
side multiplied by side. Absolutely right.
So the
Side
area
into
will be
side.
25 centimeter.
So side into side means 5 multiplied by 5.
Is
So
equal to 20.
area of the square is equals to 25
25 centimeter.
centimeter square. This is the
So
unit
here,
of
here why we have multiplied by 5?
5 into 5. Side will be multiplied by side itself. Side into side. This is the formula. Side into side. This is the formula. So that means you will multiply 5 by 5. Same thing will be multiplied 2 times. Okay. 5 into 5. So this give you 25. 25 centimeter square. Centimeter square is the unit of area. Okay. Like there is a unit of length. Length की unit क्या होती है? Centimeter, kilometer, meter, decimeter and all. There similarly the unit of area is centimeter square, meter square, kilometer square. This is known as centimeter square. Centimeter raised to the power 2. Centimeter के ऊपर छोटा सा 2 बना देते हैं. So that means centimeter square, which is the unit of area. Understood how to do it? Very easy thing. Got it, all of you?
Yes,
First of all,
sir.
tell me, have you all understood? Very easy thing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you all can note down the first one and do the second one and send your answer in the group so that I can check whether you are doing it correctly or not. First one and second one. Do the second one and send it in the group. All of you. Start doing. I'm waiting for your answers in the group for the second question. Very good, Iram. Absolutely right. You have also written the unit correctly. Very good. Summer. Absolutely right. Very good. Unit is also correct. Other students, please send your answers. Second part. Send your answer for the second part, all of you. The here the side of the square is given 11 meter. Side is 11 meters, so unit will be meter square. Okay, 121 meter square. Okay, all of you got it? The side of the square is in meter, 11 meter given है. So area will be meter square, not centimeter square. Okay, if you have written centimeter square, then just make a small correction, make it meter square. Beta, you are Aditya. You are not putting a square on the unit. This will be considered as wrong if you are not putting a square. 25 centimeter square, 121 centimeter square, meter square. 225 centimeter square, 81 centimeter square. Write the units correctly. Yes,
So now we have to.
those who have done
So
the
now
second, they can send the answer of third one now.
Sir, I have sent first, second, and third, fourth. Excuse me, sir. I have second, first, and
Okay, okay, okay. Very good,
Sir,
very good.
sir, you said to correction, sir. I have done that
Yes, yes,
correction.
yes. I have seen. I have seen. Do the
Sir, I have
third
done.
one also, everyone. Do the third one and post your answer of the third one.
Sir, may I send my first, second, and third one?
Yes, yes. All of you, those who have done the third one, send the answer of the third one. They can send their answer of fourth one also. Send it in the group. I have seen that many of you have already sent the answer of third one. Send it for fourth also.